happening, guys? With Isabel here, and we're going to make a spinach omelette today. So an omelette is actually the first real cooking method that I learned, and I just want to show you how to get it perfect every single time. And all we're going to need, we have some leaf spinach here, 2 whole eggs, sea salt, black pepper, garlic of course, and thyme. We have a medium skillet here and a lid and extra virgin olive oil. So let's get this breakfast started.
See, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
There you have it, my perfect spinach omelet. I really love to make these just about every other day, whenever my macros allow it. And it is really good because spinach is super healthy for you. We all know from Popeye. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any recipes, any ideas for me to cook, let me know in the comments. And I'll catch you guys next time.